So that's
黄 this is 黄色 yellow.
Huangsa.
Yeah, 黄
Huangsa means
yellow.
yellow. Oh, but you,
Huang.
you count it by numbers, right?
Yeah, the strokes.
The stroke.
Yeah.
But
This word is actually 黄.
Huang.
Yeah.
So
This is 黄色 is like that.
okay.
Yeah. Chinese you can match like two words together, then it's actually a meaning.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is 黄. So this is 色.
Okay. But this one is numbers.
No, this is color.
Color.
Yeah, yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah,